अलि एडभान्स तरिकाले तपाईहरुको क्लास लिन्छु। तपाईहरुलाई थाहा छँदैछ नयाँ टेक्नोलोजी युज गर्नुपर्दा लिटल बिट डिफिकल्ट त हुन्छ नै हैन। So I think we must try our best. So I also do accordingly, okay? And so let's discuss, the same thing, the grammar exercise, articles. It was already, discussed many rules, like, while talking about anything for the first time, so we use article or and sound, and generally the most important part is with short forms, that the abbreviations. Just yesterday we discussed abbreviation like MA, BA, DSP, SP, FM, HA, then JTA, like these abbreviation short forms, what we use there. So according to their pronunciation, you must use articles or and. There we don't use the. Generally we don't use the there, okay? Like MA भयो भने त अगाडिको M pronounce गर्दा M, that sounds vowel. So use and there, and MA is the right answer. Okay, so let's see the scheme and continue article or and. Okay, wait please, and we'll continue the same things. Okay, number 10 there. 10 is there, look at. Up to 9, we discussed already before yesterday. So next number, we're using article or and. Before the names of days of the week to talk about one particular day. So how is it? Look at. See that on or Tuesday. That means a particular Tuesday is described here. So suppose I met you on or Friday, but I don't know which Friday that was. But that was a special Friday because that was a particular Friday. I met on that day. So I remember. Okay, please. Yes, please. So if you have any queries, confusion, please ask me, okay? So I'm ready here. So June days तपाईँको लाइफमा memorable हुन्छन्. Even 7 days name we have, English names of the days like Sunday, Monday. So there also, if you want to make that day memorable, special or particular, then you can use article or there. Like may people's name also, generally people's name, any names, they are known as proper noun. Proper noun does not take articles, does not take any articles, but sometimes we have to make them particular, specific. In that case also we use article or, like that. Or Mr. Ramesh visited me, like that. Here also days also, generally we don't use articles, but if you have to make it, the specific one, the remembering ones, so there you can use of. It was a Friday. So when we met each other, that means the day is remembered till now. It was a Friday. एउटा शुक्रबारको दिन थियो. Actually, which year don't know. It was which month you don't know, but that was a Friday. That was our Friday. So with certain days, such a type of days, we use article or. Okay. So for this, anyone does have queries, please?
सर एउटा क्वेशन छ सोधम
Okay, please.
English is ... language of ... people of England
So again, please. English is ... language
of ...
of
people of England.
people of England. Yeah. Okay. Very good questions. You can use English is the language of the people of England. The people of England. Okay.
People of
No. People of the people of England. The people of England.
language
people-
of जस्तो दुईटा छ नि दुईटा डट छ
Okay. English is the language. English is the language of the people of England. Yeah. People सुन्नु न people सँग आर्टिकल or and कहिले पनि लाग्दैन है people सँग कहिले पनि आर्टिकल or and लाग्दैन अनि ल्याङ्ग्वेजलाई कमन बनाउनु भयो भने अ ल्याङ्ग्वेज भन्न मिल्छ राइट तर ल्याङ्ग्वेजलाई तपाईं स्पेसिफिक बनाइरहनु भएको छ इंग्लिश इज द ल्याङ्ग्वेज व्हिच इज द ल्याङ्ग्वेज इंग्लिश इज द ल्याङ्ग्वेज इंग्ल्यान्डको पिपलले बोल्ने ल्याङ्ग्वेज कुन हो त्यो ल्याङ्ग्वेज हो इंग्लिश ल्याङ्ग्वेज हो सो पर्टिकुलर स्पेसिफिक बनाइरहनु भएको छ सो बोथ साइड्स द युज ओके
Banarsi is ... holy city.
Okay, that's a good question. Banaras is okay. Thank you. Holy city. What do you use then?
Hello.
Okay, what do you think there?
The.
Okay, why the there?
रिलिजियस प्लेस हो त्यही भएर त्यो हुनु छैन
सुन्नु न रिलिजियस प्लेसमा द लाग्ने होइन नि कान्छो
हजुर के होइन
रिलिजियस प्लेसमा द लगाउने होइन नि बनारस त इन्डियाको एउटा होली प्लेस हो बनारस जस्तै थुप्रै प्लेसेसहरु छन् सो यु क्यान राइट बनारस इज अ होली सिटी या क्यापिटल भयो भने चाहिँ द लगाउनु है जस्तै काठमाडौँ इज द क्यापिटल सिटी लेखिन्छ भने पोखरा इज अ ब्युटिफुल सिटी पोखरा इज अ ब्युटिफुल सिटी लेख्ने हो के
मतलब त्यस्तो ठाउँहरु धेरै भएको कारणले हैन त्यस्तो मतलब
राइट अहिले मैले के भने होली प्लेस सो मेनी होली प्लेसेस आर देयर इन इंडिया राइट we haven't made them any specific right so there we have to use there like I said Biganj is a developed city okay because other cities are developed
okay sir
okay thank you okay now go to number 11 so with yesterday also little bit I described little bit described this abstract noun haruko case ma chai what to do check once like knowledge wisdom knowledge love hate anger hunger these are honesty like jealousy these are the examples of abstract noun right पहिला हामी नाउन छुट्याउँ है आर्टिकल्स गर्दै गर्दा चाहिँ हामी 6 नाउन्सहरुको डेफिनेसन गरौँ जनरली तपाईहरु सम्झनुस् प्रपर नाउन सँग चाहिँ आर्टिकल लाग्दैन भने सम्झनु लाग्न पर्यो भने मैले अघि भने जस्तै मिस्टर साक्षी आयो भने मिस साक्षी इज देयर मिस दीपा इज देयर नो प्रब्लम मिस दीपा इज देयर दीपा कसैलाई अननोन छ भने चाहिँ एस्टरडे अ मिस दीपा भन्न पाइन्छ अथवा सडनली अ मिस दीपा appeared there but we don't know Deepa who is she actually Deepa हामीले बुझ्दैनौ चिन्दैनौ भने in this case in this way we have to write if the person is unknown to the speaker if the person any person's taking names right so if someone the speaker is taking names of any persons those who are unknown to them there they can use article a with names but in other cases with name कहीँनिर पनि प्रपर नाउन्समा आर्टिकल नलगाउनु राइट प्रपर नेम्सहरु कुन कुन भने पिपल्सका नेमहरु हुन् कन्ट्रीजका नेमहरु हुन् सिटीजका नेमहरु हुन् यिनीहरु प्रपर नेम हो यिनीहरुमा नलगाउनु है त सो मैले अर्को पनि यहीँनिर जोडे Abstract noun, तपाईँलाई noun को कुरा गरे, proper noun, common noun, material noun, abstract noun, collective nouns, यी nouns हरु हुन् है। Generally हामी common nouns मा मात्रै article को कुरा गर्छौं basically common noun सँग article को कुरा गर्ने हो। ओके, proper noun को कुरा नगर्नुस्। त्यसपछि रह्यो abstract noun मा article लाग्दैन, तर abstract noun मा article लगाउन मिल्छ कसरी भने जस्तै honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy. No article is used there before honesty, you know. Honesty is abstract noun, right? So, but someone's honesty, if you are talking about, then write the. Like the honesty of Hasmullah Khan is appreciating, right? Appreciated. The honesty of Deepa Kumari South, you know, the honesty of Deepa Kumari South is appreciable, like that. The honesty, because particular people's honesty is talking here, is talk about, right? So next there you can say like knowledge also. So the knowledge of Lord Buddha, the knowledge of you know, Ramesh sir, the knowledge of Ramesh sir. Actually, she has good knowledge. She has a good knowledge of computer science. Good knowledge. That is a noun phrase. She has a good knowledge. But knowledge actually, people's knowledge is without article. But the knowledge of someone else is there. And like the love also, love we don't use. Love is great. Love is everything. Love is blind. We don't use any articles. Okay, with love. But if you are talking about someone loves, so there we use article. The love between Muna and Madan, the love between Romeo and Juliet, the love between Laina and Majnu, like that. If you want to make it specific or particular, there we use article the. So here are given some examples of pity or noise. Yesterday also I talked. Don't make a noise. You write, okay? Don't make a noise. Don't say don't make noise, okay? Say don't make a noise. So it is the same. It is the same. It is a pleasure. Okay, it is a pleasure. At a loss, in a hurry. She is in a hurry. Or nuisance, right? Or temper, or raise a lie in a whisper. But there is written the truth. That is always. Truth is always. Truth takes always the. Okay, have you seen my skin?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
yes, sir,
is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So मैले यहाँ केही नाम सम्झेँ, साक्षी, दिपा, त्यसपछि गएर आलोक, उहाँहरूले देख्नु भएको छ?
Yes, sir.
Clearly, thank you. So number 12 now, go to number 12. So when first describing something or making a general statement about something not known or without any details, just अघि भनेकै कुराहरू, something which is not known to us, someone who is not known to us. In this case, while describing very for the first time to the thing which are actually you don't know them, any details you don't know. In the case,
sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, I have a question.
Okay, please.
He ate the egg, but the egg was not tasty.
So sorry, I could not hear well. I could not understand your question.
He ate the egg, but the egg was not tasty.
Oh, okay. Egg, you are saying egg, yeah? He ate the egg, but it was not tasty, right?
Yes, sir.
It was not tasty, right? Same. So dot is there with just egg, you know, egg there, right? Egg.
Yes.
He ate egg, but it was not
Tasty.
It was not tasty. There is space or not?
Sir, he ate the egg, but the egg was not tasty.
But
Egg was not tasty.
Okay, very good. Good question there and simple answer. Okay, if you are talking any nouns for the first time, you know, for the first time you have to write there or an. Okay, And if the noun, same noun is repeated, then you have to use article the. Means, तपाईको answer चाहिँ म अर्को question दिन्छु ल, आफै बुझ्नु. Once upon a time, there used to live an old man, but the old man was very rich. Listen. Once upon a time, there used to live an old man, but the old man was very rich. Understood?
Yes, sir. बुझियो.
Okay. बुझियो? Okay.
मजाले.
यसो गर्नु नि. कुनै पनि noun first time बोल्दै गर्दा article or an लगाउने, त्यही nounलाई repeat गर्नु पर्यो भने द लगाउने. अघि भने question मा चाहिँ he ate an egg, but the egg was not tasty. उसले एउटा अन्डा खायो, तर त्यो अन्डा टेस्टी थिएन. उसले एउटा अन्डा खायो, तर त्यो अन्डा टेस्टी थिएन. अब फेरि एउटा अन्डा टेस्टी थिएन भन्न पाइन्न. त्यो अन्डा भन्न पर्यो, किनकि त्यही फर्स्ट को नाउनलाई सेकेन्ड मा रिपिटेसन गरिएको. That is the case. Okay, so here also same number 12, the rule given number 12, that is also the same case. Okay. Suddenly a man appeared outside the window. If you are talking about the same man, you know, now you have to write the man. The man was running to save himself from cheaters. So यसरी जाने. अब suddenly a man appeared for the first time भएको हुनाले a man. So that is an interesting point. For the first time, hey yo, describe. When first describing something. If you describe the same thing second time, then use article the. पहिलो चोटी. Okay, मैले यहाँ भनौँ. This is an interesting story. The story is about love. Okay, so second time बोल्दा त हामी दमा गइहाल्छौं. For the first time कुनै कुरा पहिलो चोटी जस्तै there is a tree, first time बोल्नु भएको छ. There is a tree. अब second time बोल्नु भयो भने the tree हुन्छ. Right? Okay, thank you. Number 13 now. XIII, look at. To give an example, always while giving an examples, we write or an, giving examples, okay? Giving examples मा हामी कुनै कुराको example दिनु पर्यो भने जस्तै a radio is a scientific invention. Example.
Hello.
Yes, please.
Sir, a question, sir.
Okay, please.
Sir, ... apple a day keeps the doctor away.
Okay, very simple. An apple. तपाईले भनेको त्यही example हो यो. An apple a day keeps a doctor away. Okay.
हजुर.
यसको मिनिङ हुन्छ हरेक दिन एउटा स्याउ खानुस्, डाक्टरबाट टाढा रहनुस् भनेको apples make you healthy भनेको मिनिङ लाग्छ. त्यसैले an apple लेख्ने है त्यस्तोमा. यही सेम कुरामा आयो तपाईको एकदम राइट. एक्जाम्पल्स दिने बेलामा चाहिँ यही भनिन्छ. भेरी गुड. मैले अहिले जुन XIII को थर्ड आई को कुरा गरे नि, while giving any examples we write or an भन्छ. So there example, a thermometer is a measuring instrument. Okay, a thermometer is a measuring instrument. A radio is a listening device. A radio is a listening device. A television is a watching device, right? So यसरी हामी example दिनु पर्यो भने or and को use गर्छौं. Number 14 now. Number 14, please. So look at. To describe one of a class of things or people. In a class, group जनाउने भयो भने जस्तै यहाँ चाहिँ collective nouns भन्यो भने पनि बेटर हुन्छ है. Collective nouns भनेको कस्तो नाउन हो एकचोटी हेरौं. त्यहाँ चाहिँ अ लाग्छ. कसरी collective nouns हरु जनरली सिंगुलर हुन्छन् भनेर बुझ्नु. हामी सब्जेक्ट भर्ब एग्रीमेन्टमा कन्कर्डमा हामी डिस्क्राइब गर्छौं. So we'll discuss there. Generally collective nouns are singular sometimes if it gives meaning for plural ones, there also we write plural verbs, but generally they are, we know they are in simple forms, right? So here to describe one of a class means it's a racing car is given their example. It's a racing car. It's an expensive car. It's an expensive car. Okay, like दिनको क्लासहरु जनाउने भने महँगोहरु यो एउटा महँगो मध्येको पर्छ, एउटा महँगो मध्येको. ओके, सो यसलाई यसरी हेरौं. र अर्को रेटको कुरा हामी गरिसकेका छौं. इन द अर्न्स आर 30,000 अ मन्थ हिजो कुरा गरिसकेको छु मैले. आवर हार्ट बिट्स 70 times a minute. 70 times a minute. रेट्स को कुरा गरे. अनि स्पीड्स को कुरा, some people can cycle at 50 km an hour. So we run 50 kilometers in an hour, like that. Rates and speeds, there also we use article or an. And here is another, in items and other fixed expression also there. Already we did. Just say, always you have to say, have a seat, okay? Have a seat. Okay? Have a seat. Take a bath हुन्छ है. Take a bath. Take a bath. Sentence के मिल्दैन भने I am bathing भन्न मिल्दैन. Never say I am bathing. But you have to say I am taking a bath. I am taking a bath. Bath
Sir.
always take a. Okay. Yes, please.
Hello, sir.
Yes, I am listening.
Ram is ... actor and director of that movie.
Okay. Ram is ... actor and director of the movie. Okay. Okay.
Oh.
Same question. Ram is ...
Yes, sir.
actor and director. Okay. Ram is of the movie लेखेको छ कि of a movie लेखेको छ?
Of that movie.
Of that movie लेखेको छ. Okay. Of that movie भएपछि तपाईले लेख्नु पर्यो के the particular बनाऊ. Ram is the actor and director of that movie. That movie means particular movie. That movie means त्यहाँ that ले indicate गरिसकेपछि हामी केयरफुल हौ है. मैले यो सिकाउँदै छु तपाईहरुलाई. मैले के सिकाउँछु भने अब the को रुल सिकाउँदै बेलामा बी केयरफुल. मा पुगिसकेको छैन. सो द मा के हुन्छ भने जनरली व्हाट व्हिच व्हेन वेयर हु दैट आदिले सेन्टेन्स जोइन गर्यो भने त्यो सेन्टेन्सलाई हामी त्यहाँ आउने नाउनलाई हामी द प्रयोग गर्छौं. ओके, सो दैट मुभी भएको हुनाले पर्टिकुलर मुभीको एक्टर हो. सो राम इज द एक्टर एन्ड डाइरेक्टर अफ दैट मुभी. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट a bit of in a hurry make a start. Yes, please.
So Ram is ... actor, so he earn more money.
Okay, Ram is ...
actor, so he earn more money.
so he earns more money. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. अब त्यहाँ चाहिँ के गर्नु भने हामीले प्रोफेसनमा के लगाउँछौं? प्रोफेसनमा के लगाउँछौं?
द.
प्रोफेसनमा कहाँबाट द लगाउँछौं हामी? मैले हिजो भने हैन प्रोफेसनमा हामी अरयान लगाउँछौं भनेर. She is an engineer, he is a doctor, Ram is an actor, Rita is an actress, I am a student, he is a teacher, right? She is a housewife. प्रोफेसनमा के लाग्छ? अरयान लाग्छ हैन त? हो त?
Yes, sir.
अनि द किन भन्नु भएको अघि? तपाईलाई एउटा रमाइलो कुरा सुनाऊ है.
Yes, sir.
सुन्नुहुन्छ नि हैन? मेरो ल्याङ्ग्वेज त बुझ्नु भएको छ नि. म नेपाली पनि बोलिरहेको छु, केही फरक परेन. नेपाली अनि मेरो टोन त बुझ्नु भएको छ? ओके, ल सुन्नुस्. यदि इंग्लिश फ्लुएन्टली बोल्ने चाहनुहुन्छ भने दुईटा वर्ड चाहिँ कहिले पनि नछोड्नुस्. एउटा टु, अर्को द. तपाई स्पिकिङमा चाहिँ तपाईले द प्रयोग गर्नु भयो कि भएन, द कहाँ प्रयोग गर्ने त्यसको मतलब हुँदैन र टु को पनि मतलब हुँदैन स्पिकिङमा चाहिँ. किनभने तपाईहरुले धेरै सेन्टेन्स जोड्नु पर्ने हुन्छ राइट you can speak to frequently and you can speak the frequently also, no problem while speaking, but while writing we are learning here how to write a perfect sentence. So writing मा चाहिँ the use गर्दा be careful है. the profession मा त्यसै द नगर्नु. the doctor भन्न मिल्यो त्यो त्यसलाई प्रोफेसन बनाइयो, तर the doctor who works in the hospital yesterday died भन्ने पर्टिकुलर डाक्टर बनाइयो. त्यो डाक्टर जो हस्पिटलमा काम गर्थ्यो, जो सीएमसी मा काम गर्थ्यो, उ मर्यो भनेर द लेख्न पाइयो. तर उसको प्रोफेसनको मात्रै कुरा गरौँ न, तपाईको जबको कुरा गरौँ न. I am working as a teacher. I am working as a teacher. A teacher. That is job. That is profession. Okay. Okay. So next, what I am saying is, एकछिन क्वेशन होल्ड गर्नु ल, मैले यो भ्याउँछु अनि क्वेशनहरु लिन्छु मैले है. यो मैले अघि एउटा कुरा सिकाइरहेको थिएँ कि तपाईहरुले जहिले पनि आई एम टेकिङ एक्जाम लेख्न पर्छ, आई एम गिभिङ एक्जाम लेख्न पाइदैन. फर्स्ट one is always write taking exam, to take exam, but don't write give exam. Okay. यसमा चाहिँ कहिलेकाहीँ मलाई स्टुडेन्टहरुले सोध्ने गर्नुहुन्छ, सर त्यस्तो भए स्टुडेन्टहरुले नि एक्जाम टेकिङ हुन्छ, इन्भिजिलेटर अथवा गार्ड्सहरु अथवा टिचरहरुले चाहिँ के गर्नुहुन्छ? टिचरहरुले पनि टेकिङ एक्जाम हुन्छ है. ओके, टिचर्सहरुले पनि टेकिङ एक्जाम, स्टुडेन्टहरुले पनि टेकिङ एक्जाम हुन्छ. तपाईहरुलाई लाग्न सक्छ स्टुडेन्टहरु गिभिङ एक्जाम. नो, दैट इज नट. आई एम गिभिङ एक्जाम हुँदैन कहिले पनि, आई एम टेकिङ एक्जाम हुन्छ. यो क्वेशन पनि तपाईको सोधिने क्वेशन हो. सो मैले यहाँ किन भन्न खोजेको भने यहाँ a bit of in a hurry, make a start, have a drink, do a turn भने जस्तै have a seat हुन्छ, have a bite हुन्छ, take a bath हुन्छ. Okay, have a look हुन्छ, have a quick look हुन्छ. Okay, so I am bathing लेख्न मिल्दैन, so I am taking a bath लेख्न पर्छ. I am taking a bath. I am taking bath पनि wrong भयो. I am taking a bath is the right answer. So यस्तो फर्म्सहरुमा अर्को अब लास्ट एउटा तपाईहरुलाई आर्टिकल अर एन लाग्ने कुरा डिस्क्राइब गरौँ. त्यो कलेक्टिभ नाउन्स. कलेक्टिभ नाउन्सहरु, so many collective nouns are there. Examples for it. Collective nouns को examples सुन्नुस् त. Like a crowd of people, is there, you know, a crowd of people, that's a collective noun. A herd of cattle, a swarm of bees, a bunch of flowers, a galaxy of stars, a school of fish, a shoal of fish, a fleet of sheep, a colony of ants, an army of soldiers, right? Then a class of students, a team of players, an orchestra of actors, an orchestra of musicians, like that. These are known as collective nouns. Okay, with collective nouns we have to use always article or and. So find out many more collective nouns and don't forget to use their article or and. So okay, if any queries please ask, otherwise I show you some questions. Okay, or and.
सर एउटा क्वेशन छ सोधौं.
Okay, please.
I bought horse, ox and buffalo.
Okay. सबैमा अरे आन लगाउनु किनकि एउटा एउटा किनेको छ त्यसले. I bought a horse, an ox and a buffalo. सुन्नुभयो?
Yes,
त्यसले
sir.
एक एकवटा किनेको छ. त्यसले हर्स एउटा किन्यो. I bought a horse. How many horses he bought? Only one, yeah?
Only
So I
one.
bought a horse and an ox, okay? An ox and
And a buffalo.
buffalo. Right, that is the right answer. Okay, very good questions. An answer very
Sir.
sure. Good answer.
सर
Yes, please.
हर्सको ठाउँमा हर्सेस भएको भने के हुन्थ्यो?
Okay, very good. Horses भयो भने जनरली नलगाउनु, तर आर्टिकल नलगाउनु. He bought many horses हुन्छ, डाइरेक्ट horses हुन्न. He bought कतिवटा horses किने भन्नु पर्यो त्यसले कि horses भयो भने त्यसलाई अर्को अप्सन के हुन्छ भने जोइनिङ सेन्टेन्समा चाहिँ he bought the horses which are very स्ट्रङ लेख्न पर्यो. which are त्यसलाई चाहिँ the horses लेख्न पर्यो. पछाडिपट्टि what which ले जोडेको छ भने the which लेख्न the horses लेख्न पाइयो हैन भने हर्सको अगाडि चाहिँ जनरली एडजेक्टिभहरु जोडेर आउँछ, एडभर्ब्सहरु जोडेर आउँछ हर्सेस आउँदै गर्दा. किनभने I bought 2 horses हुनु पर्यो अथवा I bought many horses हुनु पर्यो, राइट? I bought
यस सर
4 horses हुनु पर्यो अथवा I bought strong horses हुनु पर्यो हैन? त अगाडि केही आउनु पर्यो हर्सेस आउँदा. डाइरेक्ट हर्सेस भन्दाखेरि द लगाउनु पर्छ, तर द लगाउँदा जोइनिङ हुनु पर्छ, डाइरेक्ट चाहिँ लेख्न मिल्दैन सिंगल है.
यस सर सर एउटा जन गट प्रेजेन्ट जन गट प्रेजेन्ट
जोहन गट
प्रेजेन्ट
प्रेजेन्ट मात्रै छ, अरु केही छैन हैन? ओके
सुनिए न सर
जोहन हो, जोहन
गट
गट
प्रेजेन्ट
present, yeah?
यस सर
Very good. So what do you use there then?
हेलो
Hello, okay, I'm
Hello.
asking you. Yes, I'm asking you.
भन्नु सर बुझेन सुने थिएन के
मैले सोधिरहेको छु तपाईलाई. What do you think to use there?
हजुर
Okay. He got a present. That is right. I got a gift हुन्छ. She provided me a gift हुन्छ हैन त? अनि त्यसपछि त्यसलाई चाहिँ तपाई स्पेशल बनाउने हो भने the gift. She provided the gift to me that makes me very happy. ल द लेख्ने त्यहाँ. त्यति बेला अहिले चाहिँ नलेख्ने, अहिले त यति मात्र लेख्ने कि he got a present, right? He got a present. यति मात्र लेख्ने. तर सेन्टेन्स जोइनिङ भएर पछाडी त्यसलाई पर्टिकुलर बनाउने कोसिस भयो भने, त्यसलाई डेफिनाइट बनायो भने, त्यसलाई स्पेसिफिक बनायो भने चाहिँ हामी द लेख्छौं हैन भने जनरल सेन्समा आएको हुनाले कमन सेन्समा त्यति मात्रै छ. सो he got a present. Okay. ओके, म तपाईलाई केही क्वेशनहरु देखाउँछु. सो प्लिज लुक एट हियर. यो हामी अहिले डिस्कस गरौँ. म त्यसपछि सन्डे देखि 10 सुरु गर्छु. क्वेशनहरु प्लिज. नम्बर ए, स्क्रिन हेर्नु त मेरो स्क्रिन शेयर भएको छ जस्तो लाग्छ के है?
हजुर सर लाग्छ.
ओके, लेडिजहरु, माय डियर गर्ल्स प्लिज. So your voice is not heard till now. So I want to hear answers from your mouth, okay? So please look at different questions, how to solve it. Please. Number A. So do you have answer? Excuse me, students. Am I audible to you or not? Okay, please. Hello. Hello, please discuss now.
Sir.
Thank you. The right answer is the earth moves around the sun. 100% right. That rules we will discuss on Sunday. Okay. We will discuss on Sunday. Okay. Number B. So surely that is An umbrella.
And
Okay, against the, okay. E. Number C is
the
okay. The that is the superlative degree. Superlative degree. We use their article the. Okay. Number D. Prakash plays.
or guitar.
Sorry, dog guitar. Okay. Because with musical instruments name for their original purpose, for their primary purpose, we use article the. But for secondary purpose, we use article or other things like example.
Yeah.
Okay. So जस्तो मैले यस्तो भन्न सक्छु है ध्यान दिनु यहाँतिर I have a guitar लेख्न सक्छु मैले 100% I have a guitar लेख्न सक्छु. So there that guitar is an object. That guitar is an object. मैले all लेख्नुको meaning हो त्यो गिटार एउटा object हो. But while I play any musical instrument, you know, when you play, while we play any musical instruments, so there you must write the. Musical instruments original purpose is to play. Original purpose is to play, right? Is to play. So there for playing purpose you write the. If you have to buy, if you take it them as any objects, you know, then you write or an, like I'm going to buy a harmonium, right? He brought me a guitar, right? And she has a flute, but she is going to play the flute. She is going to play the flute. She has a flute, but now she plays the flute. The flute. While playing, there is the, but while talking about objects like, there you have to write or and. Okay, number E.
Honesty को गाड़ी कहीं लगा देना sir.
N
N and the.
Sorry,
N.
sorry. मैले के भनेको छु
N
भने
honesty is the best policy.
okay,
Honesty को गाड़ी कहीं लगा देना sir. अनि त्यसमा
nothing the.
Very good. Nothing. Honesty, that is abstract noun like knowledge, love, jealousy, hate. But if you want to make them specific, there we use the. Okay, look at like.
General sense में use देना sir.
Okay, your queries.
General sense में use देना नहीं sir. The honesty को गाड़ी nothing हुन्छ.
General sense but particular sense ma article लगाउने. The honesty of Alok is appreciable. Okay, but here you write no article. Honesty is the best policy. There the okay best, that is superlative degree. And number F.
The USA.
Nothing.
USA, obviously the USA. No, okay. Here also confusion, but Sunday I will remove all the. I will avoid your confusion. Don't worry. Sunday only. So there only I think 10 or 11 countries name in the world. Nearly 220 countries are there in the world, but only 10 countries, 10 to 12 countries names take article the. But other countries names never takes any article. Never takes any article. Like Nepal, you cannot write any articles before the name of our country Nepal. So, but you always have to write the article before USA. The article before USA. Why this is so? So tomorrow Sunday I will describe this. Okay. Next number G.
Kiran goes out in
The
Kiran goes out in.
Okay. Number G.
Nothing, sir.
Okay. Days ka 3 parts. Morning, afternoon, and evening.
nothing.
Right? The is there. Right answer. How the I will describe later. Okay. And number yes.
The
Okay, that is particular. So that is particular. That's not general. Okay, the is there, right? Okay, number I also the. Okay, parts of houses also we use article the. This is okay. Here number J. That what we discussed.
This is
This
Nothing.
very good. This is all one way road. Okay. So many questions I have, you know, but okay, later we will discuss. Okay. Okay, Ramesh sir.
Yes, sir.
So I'm going to conclude the meeting today. From
Okay.
Sunday, if only we will
Sir.
have. Yes, please.
सर फोन नंबर छैन त्यो प्रकाश बोला त्यही बुझेन
Which number?
फोन नम्बर
Phone number को के दियो भन्छौ?
त्यो प्रकाश प्लेस छैन त्यो द गाइडेड विल
मैले सेभ गरेको छु।
ए सर
प्रकाश प्लेस डट गिटार।
ए सर
ओके, तपाईँ मलाई कन्ट्याक्ट गर्नु। यस्तो हुन्छ कि म्युजिकल इन्स्ट्रुमेन्टको नामहरू हुन्छ नि।
ए सर
म्युजिकल इन्स्ट्रुमेन्ट भने ओके, फेरि सुन्नुहोस् त, म्युजिकल इन्स्ट्रुमेन्ट नामहरूमा द लगाउने, तर त्यसको राइट पर्पज के हो भने म्युजिकल इन्स्ट्रुमेन्टको पर्पज भनेको टु प्ले हो, बजाउने नै हो। म्युजिकल इन्स्ट्रुमेन्ट सजाउने चिज होइन, म्युजिकल इन्स्ट्रुमेन्ट खाने चिज होइन, म्युजिकल इन्स्ट्रुमेन्ट पर्पजमा युज हुँदैन। द्याट इज युज टु प्ले, द्याट देयर ओरिजिनल पर्पज इज टु प्ले। त्यति बेला हामी पकाउँछौँ, तर थिङ्सको रूपमा ल्यायो भने चाहिँ आर्टिकल पकाउँछौँ।
साउन्ड आइरहेछ नि
ओके 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 ओके, थ्याङ्क यू, धन्यवाद। ओके, तपाईँ मलाई इन्डिभिजुअली कन्ट्याक्ट गर्नु ल।
ए सर
थ्याङ्क यू।
Okay, sir. Thank you.
अलि हल्ला भयो सर।